Hey everybody, Kay here on the homestead in Tennessee, and I wanted you to see my daffodils before this storm coming tomorrow. They're just, well, they're almost all open, and they're so beautiful. And a lot of them are out in these woods, but I don't want to go out there because guess what BJ brought into the garage yesterday? Yes, I'm not even going to pick you up. No, I'm not picking you up. I got poison ivy. I'm not picking you up. She brought a snake in. A snake! It was the 14th of February. It was the 13th, actually. Yeah. It was a little one. They only bring in little ones, thankfully, but I'm just thinking, okay, well, if a baby snake was out, that means the baby hatched from an egg within the last week. Or two, week probably, right? And the mother's got to be around. I thought they were all like hiding and hibernating, not making babies. I don't know, but anyway, I'm not walking in there. Not until it gets cold again. But you've got to see these pretty flowers. So, and flies. We've got flies. In February. It's crazy, crazy weather. BJ, what are you looking for? You looking for another snake? So there's Exhibit A. I don't know who's doing construction back there. Look behind the shop. Isn't this beautiful, these white ones? Spot, aren't the flowers pretty? Spot, aren't they pretty? Aren't they pretty? Hey. Hey, Tiger. I'd really like to take you for a walk through the woods. Just don't want to see any snakes. And the thing is, after this storm tomorrow, these are just going to be, you know, a mess. There seem to be just two kinds here. I'm assuming they were planted at some point by the previous people. Tiger! Tiger! You'll notice I only have 3 with me. Patches in the house somewhere. I've got another grouping over there. And that may be it. There's a bunch behind the compost, and it looks like some branches were just dumped on top of them. Of course, you don't know in the winter when they die back. You don't know where they are. There's some more over there. What I should do is plant them all around the new circle. I can't wait to have a gathering. I'm gonna put a fire pit here. Got loads of firewood to burn. Plenty of seating. Now over here my irises are coming back after the tree was cut down. It looks like they're spreading into where the tree was. So they're going to be pretty. Hi. I got a few dandelions here. What's up, BJ? What's up? Hi. What a lazy day, huh? For a cat, anyway. We have the two kinds in one shot here, side by side. You guys are just hanging around me, huh? Looks like a face-off. Okay, I have little tiny flies, sweat bees or whatever they're, little tiny ones, flying all around my face. Now, it's February. Can we get a break on the bugs and the snakes? Please. Give me your spot. Anyway, I just wanted to share. Kay here on the homestead. I hope you subscribe, follow my journey here to build a sustainable homestead. Be sure you click that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss an episode. I'll see you in the next video. What happened to winter? I was really looking forward to winter, It's going to get so much done. Stop it. You see him? Okay. We got to get out the bug spray in addition to the poison ivy soap scrub. My neighbor came by and said these will all be gone, to cut them and take them inside and enjoy them. And look, they're just laying flat over, so that's what I'm doing. I remember in New York, I was so far removed from these favorite flowers of mine growing up here. And I would buy a bunch of these in the market. But I never think to take them inside here because I just enjoy seeing them outside, but they're going to be totally gone. Okay, it's coming about 3 o'clock and I'm as ready as I can be. And I just cut all of the daffodils.